That's right. Come on in to the Swedish cafe.
I'm going to put some balls in my mouth now.
When you go to IKEA, it's only right that you get some meatballs and gravy. It's the tradition. This is the IKEA branch down by Slacks Creek on a nice summer's evening in Queensland. Really nice and calm drive from Brisbane and relatively quiet both in and outside of the store. Oh, the gravy drip.
Yeah, let's go and grab some stuff from inside of IKEA. Just to fill out the apartment, make it feel a little bit more homely.
Oh, yeah, 3,700-ish steps to start the trip around. I think I got a bit lucky because there's absolutely nobody about.
That does get me thinking, what do I actually need today? A shower caddy, some doormats. Don't enjoy the IKEA trip.
There's these showcase homes where they show items in realistic, and I have used air quotes here, realistic home environments.
25 sections, 4 out of 25 is 16% of the way through. Lovely. Do like this table, mind, like as a general dining table. I think I found my first convenience purchase. I'm gonna grab a lamp leg from the cooking and eating section. Drawer organizers. Do one of these. That's an option for the future, I guess. I feel like a waiter for IKEA.
Can you see me?
I feel like the pricing for these, for what they do, is a little high, but I will need one.
The as is section might be a good little place to check out at the end for bargains.
Nearly finished. Bedroom stuff I'm not overly keen on today. I might come back basically when my stuff from Alice Springs gets here. This is what I was looking for. Like you attach it to the wall, maybe. I had no idea IKEA did bathrobes or dressing gowns, whatever you want to call them. And they're cheap too. That is a fan. It's expensive, like don't get me wrong, $200 for a fan is ridiculous, but it looks nice. I like the idea. $15 for a frame for a record. This bit is quite clever. They've put the garden furniture in like the tallest area to make it like really well lit. Clever people. Final section, the boss battle of IKEA is here. Let's have a look in there. Get some bargains in here, mind. I'm definitely walking out with something to reflect upon. That's actually not as bad as I thought it would be. Anyways, just gonna drive back to the apartment, set everything up, and edit this video. So, hope you enjoy the next couple of seconds, minutes, hours for me.